Hi Aries, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 6th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now a very quick disclaimer before we start. If you are viewing this video, please note that you should only take what resonates with you. What doesn't resonate, please go ahead and leave that. Now let's quickly jump in and see what we have for this week. So the first card I see for you is Nine of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. Person B here, they have Knight of Cups, Three of Swords, and the Empress card. Bottom of the deck I have Eight of Pentacles, which means that a lot of effort and hard work is required to fix this situation between the two of you, or it may take a lot of effort to revive this relationship. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Nine of Pentacles, which means you are in that single independent energy. You're doing really well for yourself, and that is something that a lot of people notice about you. The second card I see for you is Two of Wands, which means that you may be dealing with two people at the same time because you're physically attracted to two people at the same time. Wands energy is all about passion and sex, so it could be that you are attracted to two people. The third card for you is Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is the slowest moving knight in the deck, which means that you're putting in very small effort, okay, and very small step towards this person. The person B here, their first card is Knight of Cups, which means they want to rush in and express their emotions to you. The second card for them is Three of Swords. Three of Swords means a third party situation, a heartbreak, sorrow, something that they will go ahead and regret, something that will hurt them. So for some of you, it could be that this person is currently involved with two people, and that's why they will get hurt and they will end up hurting you as well. The third card I see here is the Empress card, which is a major arcana. Now with Empress energy, this person will eventually raise their energies, okay, and they will mature and move into the Empress energy, where they will have the qualities of all the queens, which means that they will do well in all aspects of their life. Now for very few of you, Empress energy also indicates fertility, pregnancy. So it could be that they are currently pregnant, or there could be a situation where there is somebody pregnant around them. Now we'll also see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card I see is the Temperance card, the Five of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. With the Temperance card, it means balance is required in this relationship. With Five of Wands, there could be competition, there could be people around that may be fighting, competing for your time and energy. And with the Ace of Swords, it means that there is some kind of a conversation that needs to happen. Only then you both can go ahead and think of taking this relationship forward. Now with this, let's see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck for all of you. So the message I see is nothing is going to come out of this situation. Now this is not a very positive sign. It means that even if you do things to make this relationship work, currently the energy is such that nothing is going to come out of this situation. So the best advice to you right now would be a little more patient. Now we'll also quickly see what is the message from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you here is brown agate. The crystal message being, have you been spending time in nature? How does your garden grow? Whether you live in a small city apartment or in an expansive farm, you can always find a way to establish your roots in the earth and nature. Use the negative ions of the mountain, sea or air for your overall well-being. Now with this, there is a message here from Archangel Thuriel, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.